Hi friends, today we are going to create a Google Slide project and it's called My Favorite Piece of Technology. You'll get to show off a tech tool that you really like and get creative with how you design the presentation. So the first thing you're going to do is open up the Google Slide that I gave to you in Google Classroom. Next, you can choose a layout. You can choose a layout that's already been given to you, or you can start with a blank layout. So let me show you how to do that. Once you're over here and you click on the left, you can see the options for layout. You can choose a blank layout and then you can insert your own text boxes. Or you could click over here and go to layout and choose a layout that's already given for you. So first, what I want to do is know what layout to choose. We want to know what to include. So here are the things that need to be in your Google Slide. You want a title, an image, and you need to write a description or a paragraph, 3 to 5 sentences of what your technology is all about. Those are the things that must be included. So let's make sure you pick a layout or you design a layout that is going to be right for you. So you might want to do something like this, the one column text. So if you click that, you can add your title here if that's the thing that you want to do. You can be creative. So you could click right here and you could put your piece of technology. You can add your text here and then you can come over here and add your image. Now, what type of technology you might want to do? You have so many things to choose from. You could choose computer, you could put a gaming system that you use. You might like your iPad or a tablet or a phone. Maybe it's your VR system, your virtual reality. Whatever type of technology piece that you use or you would love to use, whatever it is, that's what you're going to be designing your project about. So let me show you, here's a quick way that using this layout that you have your text boxes already included. So you could click in here and add your title. And then down here, you could write your 3 to 5 sentences. And then over here, you could insert an image. To insert an image, you just press Insert, Image, and then choose Stock and Web. And then you can search here for your favorite piece of technology. And then you can decide which image you like. You can use a stock image, you could do stickers, whatever it is that you want, you get to create and have fun with that. Or if you want to do this and design a blank layout, all you would have to do is go to Layout, Blank, and then you can insert your title. You can insert text boxes here, and then you could also insert your image however you'd like to do that. Also, I'd like for you to change the background. Now, you can change the background to a solid color, or you could add images in your background as well. But remember to do that, you're going to make sure you click on your slide over here on the slide strip, and then click background, and then you can either change the color by selecting that, or you can choose an image. Now make sure once you've chosen for Google Images, if you choose an image, that it's something that you can still read the text. We want to make sure that whatever you do, your text and your image of your favorite piece of technology is definitely able to be seen. Quick reminder, make sure you write your paragraph first before spending too much time on adding an image or changing the background. It's easy to get excited about fonts and colors, but the goal is to finish your project in this class period. Once your slide is finished, go back to Google Classroom and turn it in, and then click the When You're Finished button on our class website to visit our approved sites. I can't wait to see the pieces of technology that you picked and how you designed your Google Slide presentation. Have fun, be creative, and I'll see you in our next tech lesson.